Hopefully with future surges, the vaccine, the younger group is going to keep the numbers lower and that we're not going to have closed daycares or closed schools again.
The newest tool to help curb COVID, as children 5 and younger are now able to roll up their sleeves and get vaccinated against the virus that's killed and infected millions around the world. Thanks for joining us for TV5 News at 5. I'm Meg McLeod.
And I'm Elise Ramey in for David. Officials say infants, toddlers, and preschoolers will start receiving COVID-19 vaccines this week. And as TV5's Kendall Keys reports, doctors aren't only recommending parents to get their children vaccinated against COVID, but also to catch up on any other missed vaccinations.
They may not share their toys, but man, they're good at sharing their germs.
Now, hopefully preschoolers will share less COVID-19 germs. The vaccine for 18 million of the youngest Americans down to 6 months old receiving the CDC director's approval over the weekend. Dr. Dennis Cunningham, pediatrician and director of infection prevention and control at Henry Ford Health, welcomes the expansion.
Kids go to preschool, they share their germs, they bring it home to parents and grandparents. So this is another tool to help us as we prepare for future variants and future surges.
Doctors' offices, hospitals, and community health clinics will soon receive child-sized doses of Moderna, recommended 2 doses 1 month apart, and Pfizer, which requires 3 doses over a 3-month period. Dr. Cunningham says in his experience, vaccine protection is superior to natural immunity.
We're certainly seeing a whole lot more COVID in kids than we are seeing anything else out there, including flu, chickenpox, measles, mumps, rubella.
Even so, he says the pandemic caused a lull in routine vaccinations.
Across the entire country, there was a drop in the number of people receiving all their recommended vaccines on time. We still haven't caught up to that yet. It was for the whole country. Michigan is not an exception.
A lapse in vaccinations could overwhelm health systems down the road.
One of the public health worries, if we don't keep people vaccinated, are we going to get more outbreaks of things like whooping cough, measles, or mumps, things that we really don't want to see, especially on top of COVID.
The hope that parents catch up on the shots they may have missed for their kids while also getting their COVID vaccine. Dr. Cunningham says it's safe to combine them.
I would encourage parents, get your kids all the vaccines that are recommended.
For WNEM TV5, I'm Kendall Keys.
The Biden administration has been preparing for the rollout for weeks now, allowing states, tribes, community health centers, and pharmacies to pre-order millions of doses.